Right, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Rob. Right, I'm going to do some soundproofing today. I haven't soundproofed the back of my Defender door. I think I've done the other two that you've seen in previous videos if you haven't watched them, where I fitted mirror arms and new hinges. So, planning today now is soundproof this back door. I haven't done this door and it's a bit noisy, so that's the next job now. So I was buying these. I say my Land Rover must be 200 kilos heavier with all this on here. So I've done the back. There's a lot of stuff I've done on this Defender before I started doing YouTube or Instagram, and I've got some old photographs, so I'll have to try to get them on Instagram and what have you. As you can see, I've taken the door card off and dropped it on the floor. Got a few things I'm going to tidy up. I'm going to redo all that. A bit shocking that is really. Was some time ago. Got a USB connected onto the back door, so I'll put that some in conduit. Going to clean this up. So wax oil. You can see all the wax oil that I've done on there. So you've got the wiper motor, central locking, a few wires I might just tidy up, but yeah, it's really good. I mean, considering my Defender is 18 years old, pretty good. I have broken a clip, so I'm gonna have to see if I can super glue that back onto the back door. I've got new ones of these clipped. Yeah, but overall it's looking okay. So I'm gonna clean this up, soundproof all this. It don't make a huge difference soundproofing, but I think, you know, it's a bit tinny as they are. My front door is pretty good. Shut really nice, and I got my puddle light, my Optimil hinges, got my Optimil water jet for the front and for the rear. But no, just soundproof the back of this door now, clean this up, and I'll show you when it's done. So I've taken the plastic cover. This is the wiper motor, so I'm going to put some more grease in here just to grease that up while I got the opportunity. And what I've done then, I've just tidied all the cables up, put them in conduit, done them up here as well, all up through and everywhere. Giving the relay a bit of a spray, ready for me to soundproof. Yeah, so it's a good idea. These just pop off, and obviously then just put a bit of extra grease in there. There's quite a bit of grease in there now, to be honest with you, but while I'm there, I'll chuck some more grease in there. I'm just looking. I've had this gas strut. I had it from Mud UK, and looking at the date, 2014. It's hard to believe I've had that nearly, what, 10 years on there. So there's a lot of stuff I've bought over the years and it's still going strong, but yeah, that's one of the first ones that he done. I think he might have changed the design slightly a little bit. Fuck. So there you go, all soundproofed. I didn't go nuts with the soundproofing, just in certain places. Because it's double skinned, you can't get your hands in certain places. So the next job now is to put the clips back on, put the door card back on, and that little job is done. There we are. There you go, just sprayed it with all the rest of this stuff in the little holes and around. Stop the corrosion, it's pretty good stuff. Right. Let's get this door card fitted. Yeah, so I ordered a pack of these from eBay. I think they were £3 or £4. Always worth, if you're going to do a job, always worth ordering some clips in advance, and then you know you've got them, because it's like anything else. You go to do the job and on the weekend and nothing's open, or you're doing it over a bank holiday. So yeah, there you go. Need to fire my fridge up as well. Cracking fridge that. Right, okay. So that's broken, so that needs to be super glued back on. And then I've got a mixture of different clips that I've taken off. So as I said earlier, I've got some new clips, so all these will be going on. Right, so that's all been super glued back. Another little tip is to keep I keep my super glue in the fridge. It seems to last a lot longer and it doesn't go off. Just like that. Try not to drop them when you're doing them. So there you go guys, all done. Just a quick little video to soundproof the back door. Didn't take me long. The hardest part was getting all the clips in and just messing about with that kind of stuff and all the other stuff. Got the birds in the background, the old blackbirds. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.